Okay, good morning, kids. I wanted to give you guys one more way to add positive and negative numbers because maybe the you have money and you owe me money didn't make sense, and I want to give you guys one more chance to see it taught a different way that might actually make you guys like, oh, I get it. So I got these T charts where we're going to take the negative numbers and put them on this side. We're going to take the positive numbers and put them on that side. So I'm going to circle the number and the sign that's on it. And because that's a negative, I'm going to put it on this side. But I'm just going to write the number 3 because that negative means that this guy is literally 3 spaces away from 0. It's called the absolute value. And I know we haven't covered that, but if it's got a negative in front of it, we're always going to put it on this side. And because this guy has a positive number, we're going to put it on this side. So now we got the negative on this side and the positive on this side. And whenever they're on both sides, you guys are going to take the number that's smaller and we're going to put it underneath the other one and we're going to subtract it like that. So this 3 comes under here with the negative, and now you got 5 minus 3, which is 2. And because it's on this side, the 2 is going to be positive. And so there's your answer. I hope that made sense. Now, I made a little mistake here. I don't want 5. I want negative 5. Sorry about that. Making mistakes already for my video. All right, so take a look. We got the negative 3, which has a negative. Guess where we're going to put it? Under the negative sign. Circle that. The 3 is going to go here. We now know it's negative 3, but that negative 5 is also, the negative 5 is also going to go under here. So we circle this guy, and we see that it's negative, and so we're going to put it here also. Now, when they're on the same side, not like this one, here they're on different sides, they're on the same side, we are going to add every time. And what is 3 plus 5? It's 8. But because it's on the right side of this T chart, the answer is negative 8. So we got the 5 and the 3, we add it, and it's negative because it's on the right side. Now, when you come to this guy, the 5 is negative. We're going to put that guy here. And the 3 is positive. We're going to put that guy here. And we're going to do the same thing we did over there, which is take the 3 and put it under the 5. So we're going to move the 3 to this side. It's now going to be here. And we need to subtract because we got the positive 3 and the negative 5. And what is 5 minus 3? It's 2. It's on the right side, which makes the answer negative 2. So I hope that these T charts are starting to help you realize when you add and subtract, and they will, depending on what side they're on, it'll tell you what number is positive or negative. Let me just do one more. 3 plus 5, where would that go? Well, we all know that's 8, but the T chart is going to put the 3 on the left and the 5 on the left. And because they're both on the left, you add them together, you get 8, and the answer is positive because it's on the left, which is different than this guy where the 3 and the 5, because they're both negative, and you start to realize that if the signs are the same, you're going to add them. If the signs are different, you're going to subtract them. I hope that made sense. All right, we just need more practice.